Hi all of you. In this video I'm going to show you how to move a file from a remote server to a remote server, um, how to move file from your PC to a remote server, or from your Linux machine to a remote server. How can you do that? So let me just copy first my IP of my node 1. This is my node 1, and let me paste this in my this, and to SSH auth. Now browse my key. This is my key. Okay, so let me open this first. Sudo su, not sudo su, it is time to login first. ec2 hyphen user. Now it's time to do sudo su to be a root user. Okay, all right. So now I want to change my appearance as well. First let me take 26. Now bold. Now it's time to change color as well. I will take this color. So yeah, this is my machine, and let me show you what stuff it has. It has some files. Let me remove these files first. Okay, rm-rf, and I think there is no need of these files. Yeah, rm-rf and your star, which means all. So now let me see, nothing is there. Okay, so I want to show you that nothing is there, as you can see here. So if I want to transfer something, how can I do that? Let me first open my command prompt. Let me write cmd. Okay, so let me first show you the key which I downloaded while creating this ec2. Let me show you this ec2. When I was creating this ec2, so the key I got, which is, you can see here, the glossary pem. This is your pem file. This is your key which you got when you download, or when you not download, when you create your any instance. If it's Red Hat, if it's Linux, if it's macOS, if it's anything, okay, you got a key. So you got a public key. So that is where, that is here, as you can see. Okay, as you can see, this is, so he is Lord Krishna, as you can see, Supreme Lord. So this is your key. Okay, glossary pem, that key. So first let me go to desktop. Okay, now I am in desktop, which means I am here. Okay, and here I have already key. Okay, so the so first let me create a file for you all. Let me create a file, like a new file, plain text. Okay, plain text. Let me open this. First let me rename it. This file name is like why I can't type any name. Let me rename again, or let me rename first. It is not showing something. Why? Let me write what can I write, like first, not first, like file 1. Okay, file 1 is there. So you can see the name is here, file 1. In this let me write like let me open first. So in this I will write like, this is my transferred file. Okay, so now let me save it. So yeah, this is my file. If I want to send this file, how can I send it? How can I copy this in my remote machine? This is my remote machine. Okay, so how can I copy this file? So there is a command SCP. It works on Linux, it works on Mac. I don't know Mac. It works on Windows, because this is your Windows command prompt. It works on Linux as well. So SCP is your secure copy. SCP means secure copy. SCP -i. Now your key name, which is your glossary. My key name is glossary pem. Okay, and your file name. What is your file name? My file name is file dot, not dot, only one. Okay, and now it's time to paste your, not paste, just give your username of the remote machine. So my username is easy to user hyphen user at the rate. Now you have to give your uh, IP of your public IP of your node 1, which means your remote machine. My one is node 1. So okay, so where I can, yeah, so this is your IP. Now you have to write like this colon, like this colon, and now you have to give what. Let me first show you. If I do pwd means present working directory. So I want to copy here. Okay, so my present working directory is this. So let me just copy this. Yeah, so let me paste it as well. So here you have to give your address. So here you have to give your, not your address, your after address, you have to give your path where you want to copy. So now it's time to press enter. So I want to yes, you have to write yes. Why it is not right? Wait a minute, why it is not working? uh, Let me write yes. Warning, permanently added to the list known host file 1, no such file or directory. Wait a minute, why there is file 1? I think I have to write txt as well. Yeah, I should write here txt as well. So let me write here file dot txt. Okay, now it's time to press enter. So now you can see that file 1.txt 100%. So this is gone. If I do ls here, let me show you ls. Now you can see file 1 is exist now, but before when I run this command, you can see there was no file. So now for file 1.txt is right now here. So if I do cat file 1.txt, now you can see that the content is also here. This is my transport file, and this, yeah, this is your content. So yeah, that is about for today. I think I showed you the how to transfer any file uh, via remote, how to transfer file, okay, to your remote machine. And you can do vice versa as well. You can transfer a linux file to windows as well. So I will show you that in my next video, how to transfer uh, your linux file to your windows. Okay, so how you can connect to that as well. So yeah, that's about for today. I think you just try this out, and this is, I think, easier. Okay, this is easy, this is easy one, so you can try it out as well. And yeah, that's about it. So who folks are watching my DevOps bootcamp, you can check it out. There is a video on Ansible on the way. So today I will be posting that video as well, not uploading that video. Okay, so yeah, that is about for today. And soon I will be starting my Terraform series as well on my channel. So stay tuned to my channel. I will be meet you in my next video.